Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to go through adding the other two transformations, and that's going to be C and D. So we're talking about the vertical and horizontal shifts. And so this is going to be the general form of the tangent function. So again, we've got our stretching factor, right? So our vertical stretch or compression. We've got our horizontal stretch or compression. We've got our horizontal shift and the vertical shift. So these are the four characteristics that we're going to use. So again, absolute value of A tells us our stretching factor, right? The period, of course, is going to be pi over the absolute value of B. The domain is going to be all values that are not equal to this. Now, because we've got B in here now we've got to have our phase, right? Our phase shift, which is C over B. So it's going to be C over B plus some multiple of pi over 2 times the absolute value of B times, some multiple of that where K is an odd integer now. Okay? So again, this is these locations where they're not in the domain is because that's where the vertical asymptotes are located. So again, remember this for the vertical asymptotes and the domain. The range is all real numbers. Now it's an odd function. Another reason why you can see that it's an odd function is because tangent is made up of the ratio of sine theta divided by cosine theta, where sine is an even function, cosine is an odd function, and so when you divide those, you get an odd function. Okay, and that's really it. Those are the characteristics that you want to be able to know and are going to help you basically graph a period of a tangent function. And so now we're going to do an example. See you then.